Safety precautions for workshops and in the ET workshop. Check all tools and equipment and insulation before start the work. Turn off all the switches, circuits, breakers. If the surface or work table is oily, so clean it with cotton before short the work. No talking with other during the practical. Do keep electrical stuff far away from water. Disconnect the power source before servicing or repairing electrical equipment. Never touch another person's equipment or electrical control devices unless instructed to do so. Never handle electrical equipment when hands, feet, or body are wet or perspiring, or when standing on a wet floor. Do not store highly flammable liquids near electrical equipment. Do not wear loose cloths or ties near electrical workshop. Always use appropriate insulated rubber gloves and goggles while working on any branch circuit or any other electrical circuit. Always remove wire from spark plug before working in electrical workshop. Never use equipment frayed cords, damaged insulation, or broken plugs. Always use insulated tools while working. Never use an aluminum or steel ladder if you are working on any receptacle at height in electrical workshop. Avoid water at all times while working with electricity. Or try repairing any electrical equipment or circuits with wet hands. It increases the conductivity of electric current